Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TRX coin. The price line of TRX has broken down a very big channel, and after that the price line is stopped at a very strong support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to break down the next support or it is going to have a powerful bullish reversal from here. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the live chart, and this is the live weekly time frame. Let me just show you the channel first of all, that the price line has just broken down. And this is the weekly candlestick. You can see that because this is a weekly time frame, therefore every candlestick is representing 1 week. And we can see that we have rejection here. We had rejections, 2 more rejections here, and another rejection here. And this was a resistance, and we also had a support of the channel here. And the price line has just broken down this support of the channel. And after breaking down, the price line is moving below the support of this up channel. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, then here price line has recently formed another down channel after breaking down this up channel. This is the resistance of the newly formed down channel. We have rejections here, we have rejection here, and 2 rejections we have here. And this is the resistance of the newly formed down channel. This is the support. And after getting bounced by the support, the price line is again breached the resistance. Now, if we move back to the weekly time frame, then we can observe that the price line has also tested a very strong support. We can see that after the previous rally, when we had this very powerful rally here in the month of March 2021, the price line was stuck here. We had a few rejections, and after a few rejections, the price line broke out this resistance and rallied very well. Now, if I place this trend line here at this resistance that the price line found in those days, then we can see that this is very strong support. Now, previously it was working as a resistance. Now it is working as a very strong support at 6 cents. And you can see after breaking it out, the price line never broke it down. Here for a while, only for 1 candlestick, the price line moved down, but reversed back, recovered back, and moved above this resistance. So this support. And now this support can work as a key support for the price line of TRX. And right now, if I place this trend line here at this spike, then we can also observe that this level is also working as a nice support. That is approximately at 7.3 cents. And you can see that here it has worked as a resistance, and here it has worked as a support. Right now, it is again working as a support. However, this is more strong. The 6 cents will be more strong support than this 7.3 cents. So at the same time, we have also formed this down channel as well. And after this sell-off, this long spike is showing that bears are very weak at this support, and this price recovery is also showing. And we can see that for the past several days, the price line is again and again trying to break out this resistance of the channel. For example, if the price line will be able to break out the resistance of this channel, we will have the next resistance that will be the previous support of the weekly channel. And after breaking down this resistance that we may face here approximately at 10 cents, after breaking it out, the price line can move to the next resistance that will be the previous resistance of this up channel, that will be approximately at 13.5 cents. But if the price line continue to move to the downside inside this channel, then it is also possible that it breaks down this support, and it will test the next support at 6 cents. Therefore, we should keep an eye on this move of the price line of TRX, because if the price line breaks it out, this resistance, then it can be a very big move after this breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.